I'm Juan Ibarra from Discovery Channel's hit show, Freddie Dodge Mine Rescue. We're actually here at my shop in Reno, Nevada, just north of Reno. I have a handful of service trucks, and we actually have quite a bit of equipment that we personally own that we work on, and we do some work for some other contractors here in town as well. So I worked at several different mine sites before I got involved with Gold Rush, and then in 2014-15, I got involved with Gold Rush, and I've been doing that ever since. My relationship with Slide Sledge is a relationship I've had for about 8 years, but I'm not a paid spokesperson or nothing. You know, this is actually genuinely a product that I use, that I purchase, that I use with my business. So this is kind of a handy thing here. We got our display rack, but it keeps everything organized. I got all the hammers hanging. I got all the different drivers set up. So I'm able to come into the shop, see what we have, see what we're missing. If we left something on a piece of equipment, we know where it's at. But starting from the top here, we got 1/2 inch, 7/8, 1.25 inch pin drivers. So these longer shanks here, that way you're able to pull out, you know, whatever you're pulling out, you know, whether it's a tooth pin, if you're gonna be putting out a bucket pin or whatever else, you know, we have the right driver for that. We got these shorter, bigger drivers that are 2, 2.5, 3. And then we have our bushing drivers. You know, different pucks that you have, you'll be able to adapt them onto one of these drivers. We got our bead breaker, the smaller, the larger bead breaker. And then we actually have our scarifier tooth tip, our pickle fork adapter. So this adapter, we can adapt 4 different size pickle forks on it. All you do is unthread it, put the one that you need on, and you're ready to go. We got our chisel tip. You know, I actually use that quite a bit. Once I pull the pins out of a tooth, I use that chisel tip to get in there and actually knock the teeth loose. We got our utility wedge, so if you gotta spread something or get in between there and make a little extra room, you got your wedge. Over here, we actually have our non-sparking brass tips. So whether you have a chisel tip or a flat driver, they're non-sparking. Also, if you want to make sure that you're not going to mar any steel up, you can use those non-sparking as well. We have our different hammers. We got our 21 pound, that's 46 inches long, our 13 pound, 46 inches long, then our 14 pound, 30 inch long, and then our 9 pound, 30. Again, we got all our pickle forks. Then we have these side drivers, these tooth drivers, the bucket tooth pin remover. So we have a 3/8 pin remover, but then we have a 3/8 pin setter. Again, 1/2 inch pin remover, 1/2 inch pin setter, 3/4 inch remover, and the 3/4 inch setter. So that's kind of it. You know, I got a couple extra things over here. You know, I got my strap. I use my strap quite a bit when I'm actually using the hammer by myself, be able to get it where I need it and to just keep on wailing on what we need to do.